Have you ever wondered which country holds the most Newton crypto? Or perhaps you're a crypto enthusiast looking to send BTC from your Newton wallet. If so, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll delve into the world of Newton crypto, exploring its ownership distribution, the intricacies of sending BTC, and much more. Which country owns most of Newton crypto? Determining the exact country with the highest Newton crypto ownership is challenging due to the anonymous nature of cryptocurrency transactions. However, we can analyze available data to gain some insights. Public data and transparency. Newton is committed to transparency and regularly publishes data on its platform. While they don't disclose specific ownership numbers per country, their data reveals interesting trends. Global reach. Newton has users from over 100 countries, demonstrating its widespread appeal. Diverse ownership. The platform boasts a diverse range of users, including individual investors, institutions, and businesses. Factors influencing ownership distribution. Several factors likely contribute to Newton's ownership distribution. Regulatory environment. Countries with favorable crypto regulations and tax incentives may attract more users. Economic conditions. Countries experiencing economic instability or high inflation might see increased interest in crypto as a hedge against currency devaluation. Technological adoption. Countries with advanced technology and internet infrastructure may have higher adoption rates of cryptocurrencies. Awareness and education. The level of public awareness and understanding of cryptocurrencies can influence ownership patterns. How to send BTC from Newton. Sending BTC from Newton is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your Newton account. Open the Newton app or website and log in using your credentials. Select Send. Click on the Send button, typically located on the dashboard or wallet page. Enter recipient's address. Enter the Bitcoin wallet address of the recipient you want to send BTC to. Double-check the address for accuracy. Specify amount. Enter the amount of BTC you wish to send. Confirm transaction. Review the transaction details and confirm. Complete security checks. Newton may require additional security checks, such as entering a two-factor authentication code or verifying your identity. Transaction processed. Once the security checks are completed, your transaction will be processed. Additional tips. Transaction fees. Newton charges a fee for sending BTC. The fee amount depends on the transaction size and network congestion. Security practices. Always ensure you are sending BTC to a trusted wallet address. Double-check the address before confirming the transaction. Two-factor authentication. 2FA. Enable 2FA for added security to your account. Conclusion. Determining the exact country with the most Newton crypto ownership is difficult due to the anonymous nature of cryptocurrency transactions. However, available data suggests a diverse ownership base across multiple countries. Sending BTC from Newton is a simple process that can be completed in a few steps. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more crypto-related content. Until next time, happy trading!